Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the CPR indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the CPR indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 348 indicators. And out of those 348 indicators, 141 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we're working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 141 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the CPR indicator. You can see it here on screen. And really what we are looking for, and it's kind of hard to see, maybe if we go in. Alright, so basically I turned everything off except for these two here at the bottom, this up arrow and this down arrow. And you can kind of see them here on screen. Wish there was a way to increase the size of these, but I don't think there is. No. No way to increase the size. But basically what we're looking for is when we get a red arrow down, we're going to go short. When we get a green arrow up, we are going to go long. So pretty simple. We don't need the rest of the indicator to do that. That's how we'll be testing it today. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing process. See what we get. Nope, wrong line. So we pick up a long right there on that one. Get this pretty heavy pullback right here though, and it does just barely stop us out before price action continues in the direction we wanted it to go in. Then we pick up a short right here. Pretty quickly this thing reverses, takes back off to the upside, which then we get a long signal right there. And it looks like we kind of have a similar situation. Were we able to squeeze out, take profits? Looks like we were barely able to squeeze out a take profit on that one there. Continue on with it here. Let me pick up a short right there on that one. I don't think that got us to take profit. Let's just double check here. Nope, that was not. Then we pick up a long right here on this one. And again, almost immediately, we get this strong reversal that pulls back and stops us out. Then right there, we pick up a short, and that one's going to work out for us and get us to take profit. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out some of the video here. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're closer to the end of the year. Alright, we are at the end of the year now. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. Once you sign up for that, that will give you access to the Patreon only channel where we're posting some really good advanced information, topics, discussions about trading strategies, and so on. Like I said, really good stuff. Our admin Jay has put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms. And so if you use the MT platforms versus TradingView, then that would be a very handy list for you to have in your arsenal. Our admins and the regular members are posting almost everyday trade analysis as well. They are posting screenshots where they have marked out areas of support and resistance, or indicators that they might be using, showing exactly where they are entering, exiting, taking profits, the whole deal. Really informative stuff if you're trying to train your eye to look for those ideal market conditions, or if you are trying to dial in a trading strategy again to find those ideal market conditions. Then that is something that you would want to pay attention to. And recently, another thing that we have been doing is I've put together a Excel sheet of the winning strategies that we have tested, and so I pass that on to each of our patrons as well, and so they get the Excel sheet that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, and the links to the video so that way they can view those. Again, like I said, really great stuff. All right, back to the indicator here. Let's get everything in focus here. Not too many trades on this one. Right about there. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have 8 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's not going to meet the 60% criteria. This one was a little strange. It was definitely giving us signals at some really not so wonderful times, I guess is the best way to say. So this one's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.